Hello and welcome to WebHost Techie. My name is Aaron, and in this video I'm going to talk about BlueHost and how you can use BlueHost to make your own website and start your own blog. Now, if you are familiar with me, I have already talked about BlueHost in previous videos. A BlueHost is a web hosting service that you can use to make your own website or different blog based on what you're interested in, of course. There are other web hosting services too, but in this video I'm going to talk about BlueHost because that's what I use and I think it's great. If you want to start BlueHost service package, you can just click here when you go to BlueHost and you can start for just $3.95 per month. I think it's a great deal and it's a relatively easy setup which you can use to make your own, to set up your BlueHost hosting service. And I have already shown you in a different video. For now it suffices to say that this is a really great web hosting service. On top of that, you can become an affiliate and earn $65 for each sign up for every time somebody signs up through your affiliate link. I have also a video about that. You can check that out here in the description in the suggested videos above. But for now, let's go back to the main part of the video, and that is how to use BlueHost to make your own, start your own blog or website. So obviously, once you have created your account, you can go to login, which will take you to this page. And here I'm going to show you my website, my blog, which is called Net Nichols. And this website is what I work on. If you want to go here, you can obviously choose different sites you have, but for now I'll focus on this one. And once you have picked your account, you can just go here where it says log into your Wordpress. This is going to take you to the WordPress page. This here will take a few moments, so bear with me. It's always a little lengthy, but that's alright. As it says, hold on to your keyboard, we'll be there in a second. And here we are on a standard WordPress page. Obviously it's hosted by BlueHost, that's why we have this big blue title up here. And in some future video I'm going to go into more detail on what you can do on WordPress, but for now I'm just going to show you how simple it is to start a blog and add some posts to it. Obviously you have to pick your theme, but for now I'm just going to show you this one here where you can click on post, you obviously add a title, you write something and you just publish it. And we will talk more about that in another video. Here I'm just going to show you what a website looks like once it's made, and I'm going to show you my website, which you can go here, and I'll recommend you that you have a look at this website if you want, and you can read about the different things I write about. And I'm going to show you this blog post where it says start a blog, and obviously it is about how to start a blog and in 5 easy steps. If you want, you can have a look. I'll leave a link in the description and you can read this not so short but not too long little article about what you can do and how you can start your own blog or website. Now, that would be pretty much all for this video. In some future video I'm going to talk more about the details, but for now it's just a little introduction. I'll leave a link in the description where you can sign up to BlueHost if you like, or have a look at this webpage that I have here. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to comment down below. And yeah, that would be all for now. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.